Military inventions that you have never seen. Songar. Owing to the prevalence and growing sophistication of drones, it is no surprise that several technologies have been invented for detecting, tracking, and disabling drones. Songar is a revolutionary armed drone system that will act as a force multiplier in low-intensity battles. The drone is capable of performing essential functions during security forces' defense operations. The armed drone was presented by the business to provide fire support to convoys or defensive positions. The unmanned aircraft's technology is designed to be ergonomic and user-friendly, reducing operator workload during missions. The Songar tactical aerial drone is primarily utilized in patrol zones and fortress patrol regions to boost firefighter survival. In-flight mission change, autonomous and remote control modes are among the sophisticated characteristics of Songar. It also has the capacity to assess battle damage in real time. WMUT. Warfare has always resulted in the greatest technological advancements, with each country wanting to acquire the most advanced and capable armaments to protect their national and international interests. The latest and greatest breakthroughs in military technology and future weaponry, which appear to be inspired by science fiction, portray a frighteningly accurate and scary picture of the world combat in the coming years. However, major improvements have led to the development of one of the first successful wirelessly remote-controlled weaponized robots, WMUT, known as Weaponized Multi-Utility Tactical Transport. Additionally, it has extreme mobility over rough terrains, including steep slopes, sand, mud, and even water. This modern remote-controlled robot is equipped with a machine gun, which makes it a highly lethal weapon ideal for extreme operations. It has good maneuverability and serves as the backbone of robot weaponized corps. Rheinmetall Oerlikon Skynex. Over the years, the world of military industry has been intensely talking about air defense systems developed by different countries around the world. Air attacks have posed a significant threat to ground forces and population centers, as well as an important military and civilian infrastructure for more than a century. In recent years, fixed-wing combat aircrafts and attack helicopters, as well as cruise missiles and even ground-fired rockets, are all part of today's air threat. These air threats can occur at any time of day or night, regardless of adverse weather, terrain, or poor visibility, as well as in the presence of severe electronic countermeasure conditions. This has resulted into the introduction of air defense systems such as the Rheinmetall Oerlikon Skynex. Oerlikon Skynex is Rheinmetall's newest air defense concept, and its distinctive and open architecture establishes new norms. In order to meet mission objectives, several sensors and effectors can be coupled in a modular fashion. The air image is provided by one or more medium-range radars, which are aggregated in a remote control node. The Skymaster network is then used to assign air targets to autonomous effectors. Surface-to-air missiles and even high-energy laser systems can be incorporated and managed in addition to the high-performance revolver guns. A weapon mix like this provides a highly effective layered defense shield against a wide range of air threats, as well as the essential responses to saturation and, in the future, swarm strikes. Tracking point. What changes in military technology are predicted in the next coming years? This is a fascinating question with a very critical answer. To be sure, technology is rapidly advancing in a variety of fields, but exuberantly waving one's arms about futuristic military prospects isn't enough. However, defense contractors and small tech startups with great goals are developing the next generation of weaponry to outgun the old and explore new findings in science and security. This has resulted in many innovations, such as the first-ever precision-guided rifle that can automatically target and shoot. The tracking point system is based on the lock-and-launch technology used by fighter jets. This rifle uses a laser-guided sight and an integrated electronic trigger to provide guaranteed accuracy over exceptionally long distances. Critics of the precision-guided rifle, on the other hand, claim that the pistol, particularly the patented scope, heralds the arrival of skill-free slaughter. Interestingly, this weapon comes with a shot glass system, which makes it possible for the shooter to view side images. The squad-level bolt-action rifle from Tracking Point can strike fixed and moving targets out to 1,400 yards. M111-47 AMP. The 19th century saw a revolution in firearms technology. Machine tools allowed for greater precision in gunsmithing. Misfires became less common with the introduction of projectile weapons. This device has been proven to be a lethal weapon in both small and big battles around the world. It may engage vital targets such as airfields, command centers, supply facilities, air defense, and troop concentrations, among others. The M1147 is the main battle tank's next-generation high-explosive multi-purpose round weapon. This new tank ammunition will give operators a multi-purpose round that will allow them to have more flexibility and main gun capability by using single ammunition for numerous engagement scenarios. The weapon fires a very powerful projectile with a high penetrating power. Rook. When law enforcement agents are dispatched to any type of emergency, they must be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Having the tactical advantage is crucial while dealing with a hostage rescue, barricaded suspects, or a riot scenario. Armored vehicles are highly protected vehicles that can withstand any sort of conflict and enable troops with secure mobility. The Rook is built to increase job safety, versatility, and mission-specific response. It is equipped with powerful mission-specific attachments and other service advantages that most tactical vehicles lack. Unlike other substandard armored vehicles, the Rook can be used to move persons or equipment within and outside of public buildings, as well as for surveillance. It has mission-specific attachments that improve job safety and can be quickly altered to meet unique needs. The Rook is used by law enforcement organizations across the world to combat complex threats and make tactical operations safer. The wheels are made of continuous rails, and they are equipped with a manned and unmanned teaming feature and also equipped with materials for protection against bullets and other projectiles. Dronaut X1. Here is the world's first bi-rotor drone, as well as the smallest in its class. The propellers are built into the body of the donut-shaped drone, making it a compact design. The Dronaut is ideal for restricted places and environments where GPS is unavailable. It can securely bounce off around people in tight spaces and near sensitive equipment thanks to its compact profile that fits in the palm of your hand. A high-resolution 4K camera, 3-dimensional LiDAR, global shutter camera for super precise location, LED lighting for operation in the dark, and an advanced processing platform are among the sensors included. Aside from the fact that it cannot harm spectators, its tough shell, which weighs over 425 grams, will not be destroyed if it collides with barriers or walls. It also comes with a power pack and a handheld joystick controller. AN/AQS-20C. Unmanned undersea vehicles using side-scan sonar have been of great use to Navy units. These torpedo-like creatures would half submerge and go back and forth across the downtown harbor like a swarm of lawnmowers looking for weird or out-of-place objects. This vehicle will help naval officers make better decisions during minesweeping missions. The AN/AQS-20C system is a vehicle with sophisticated signal processing and computer algorithms that enable real-time computer-assisted identification and classification of a wide range of mines in both deep and shallow water. This revolutionary system is made up of 4 sonars that work together to provide total coverage without the need for multiple searches. A wideband forward-looking sonar searches mines, while 2 synthetic aperture sonars give sound identification in all water conditions. Mines are detected directly beneath the towed body using a digital gap filler sonar. When a mine is detected, the mine countermeasure forces can neutralize it by using a semi-autonomous underwater vehicle known as a Barracuda. Rafael BNet Nano. This broadband portable radio combines a proven experience with an integrated intra-squad radios and rugged combat radio designed to give secure communications to our troops when they need it the most. The broadband has maintained the famed robustness and reliability while maintaining the form factor and functionality required for routine operations and the most deadly adversaries. Today, as tactical and base personnel's needs evolve, the Rafael Nano broadband is being updated to incorporate newer technologies. These life-saving radios expand coverage, increase voice communications within squads, and ensure our military personnel's overall safety. The Rafael multiband tactical handheld and man-pack radios enhance interoperability between military and public safety forces. In addition to secure line-of-sight and SATCOM communications, their multiband radio solutions are compact, lightweight, and built on customer-proven technology. With high speed, low delay, consistent connectivity for broadband data and audio on the go, the BNet broadband satisfies the current digital battlefield's needs. BNet enables all land, sea, and air units to participate in a single, seamless, scalable mobile ad hoc network with unprecedented network capacity in terms of data rates, a number of users, and minimal delay. Defentex D40. The list of these best drones on the market has been rapidly growing in recent years, with some genuinely outstanding models available that provide the most cutting-edge UAV technology. The majority of drones offer a high-performance camera quality with excellent image quality. However, drones, on the other hand, are much more than just cameras. Battery life, size, sensor, weight, and whether a drone has a foldable design for simple portability are all essential factors for most drone pilots. In fact, drones are now in the form of compact grenade launchers. The Defentex D40 is one very typical example. This drone is equipped with distinctive features which makes it suitable for reconnaissance and surveillance. Hence, the drone can be utilized for both intelligence gathering and as a directed weapon. Turn UAS concept. One major feature of highly effective warfare is the ability to conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and also strike mobile targets anywhere around the globe. Despite having these qualities, current technologies still have their limitations. One major challenge faced especially by weaponized helicopters is the limited flight range and duration. However, fixed-wing manned and unmanned aircraft can travel further and for longer periods, but they require aircraft carriers or massive fixed land bases with runways. Furthermore, constructing these sites or deploying carriers necessitates significant financial and security commitments, all of which are incompatible with quick reaction. This wonderful aircraft concept was designed to overcome these shortcomings. TURN is an advanced technology development program aimed at designing, developing, and demonstrating an unmanned aircraft system and related technologies for future launch, recovery, and operations from small ships. The goal of the program is to develop systems and technologies that will allow a future air vehicle to deliver persistent strike capabilities beyond the range and endurance of current helicopter platforms. Defiant X. Today, the concept of weaponized vehicles has taken a different form with the transition from combat vehicles to new production aircraft. Since jet fighters first appeared during World War II, they have come to dominate the skies. There have been some fantastic jet fighters through the decades since. Defiant X is an advanced utility helicopter and air assault weapon system that can fly low and fast, land swiftly, deliver men to the objective location, and then escape while avoiding enemy fire in difficult terrain. It is a quick, maneuverable plane that can fly twice as far and twice as quickly as the Black Hawk chopper. This aircraft will greatly increase the Army's air assault capability with minor modifications in tactics, techniques, procedures, training, and infrastructure. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Now you've gone through the list of some really cool military inventions. Kindly let us know your preferred invention in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop us a like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Now, if you'll excuse me, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the following video.